Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. So this is the update video on ticker symbol PHUN, which is for firmware, and yesterday's video, which was released last night, it was around like $1.9, $2 area, and I said it's gonna change everything. And look what happened. The stock is up by 471% today. At one point it was even more because 400% when the share price is $8, but we know at one point it went all the way to 25, 26. So it was like more than 1000% up. So in this particular video, I want to talk about the support, resistance, few other news, and what is expected. Short interest ratio, the number of shorts available to borrow, this kind of thing. And also some people asked yesterday why this thing is rising. So anyway, hopefully this will be a jam-packed video and you will have the information that you were looking for. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to join my Patreon and Discord community, and let's make money together. So first of all, if you go to bar chart, all US exchange volume leaders, today's number one is this one with 643 million shares. We know about DWAC, it was yesterday, but today PHU, when it's all like, you see the change, like we very high. And one other thing, also I talked about the other one, DWAC. It was around $85-90, and today at one point it went to $190. So very exciting day. So in compared to the volume, you see like today's volume was 643 million, whereas the average volume is 38 million. So the volume is pouring in and just moving everything up and up and up. And one other things, so some of us, we entered this particular stock around 1.2, 1.3, so they were up at 1.22%, right? We also entered some PBTS yesterday's a swing trade up by 81%. We entered Probe, which was up 46%. So if you want this kind of trade ideas with support, resistance, then please join my Patreon, become a Discord member, and get access to my content where members yet we bring lots of stock support, resistance, we make money together, and day by day we are having a lot of members. So give it a try. It costs only $9 per month, and in one day you can make 900. Anyway, but you see the amount we are making each and every day. So anyway, if you do not know why it was up, right? So the firmware shares soared 300% pre-market on reports of company connection with Trump media amid DWAC spec deal, right? So yesterday DWAC, that was the star, right? It was running, and end of the day firmware started running up. So that was the main reason, right? And one other thing I found that came today, so it came just a little bit ago that the exclusive as interview, you can listen, you can go to Benzinga, that their COO talks about the crazy surge. If I go down, it talks about few things, that the firmware created and designed former President Donald Trump's 2020 re-election campaign app. The company was able to integrate key data solution, blah blah blah. Then what also said, this is important, that the person was saying, I think people are excited about firmware because we expect to deliver not only quarter-over-quarter growth of 50% in Q3 and over 100% in Q4, but also the future of contextual engagement in a mobile first, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so we know why it is pumping, but someone wanted to know why, so this is the thing, right? So anyway, we were up, we made money on this one, and we are also killing it. So very exciting. Now let's look at some interesting thing here. So if you go to shortablestocks.com, what I see here, that the number of shares available to short, right, you see after 4 p.m. it has like almost zero at this point. And why it is zero? Because at one point lots of shares were available, then end of the day it was coming down, even after hour it is down. So it was shorted a lot. If you go down, the number of shares available, currently it is zero. So there is no shares available. You see, if I go down 330, 315, lots of shares were available, then now there is no shares available to short. And also look at the borrow fee. Currently it is sitting around 22%. Very exciting. If I go to Fintel, so it has only 0.14 days to cover. So you know, like when it is squeezed, how it can run. We know about what happened in the morning, right? If you look at dark pool short volume ratio, 47%, again 0 shares available to short. Also, if I come down, how many shares people shorted? 53%. Yesterday was 47%. So you see, back to back 2 days, people are shorting this to the hell. Anyway, I also found this one. It says the short interest change is 83%. So the current short interest is 5.22%. I don't know. It says 5.22% here. The cost to borrow is 102%. So 5.22%. One Discord member, Jin from our Discord member, shared this one. So thank you, Jin. So as per that Fintel, it is like 3.19%, 5% versus 3%. So this is what I see here. I am still struggling how 83% increased, whereas the current short interest is 5.22%. I don't know. But anyway, things are moving fast. If you're looking at the volume, you see last 5 days volume, nothing was happening, and suddenly all the volume came yesterday, end of the day, and today. But the morning volume was really high, then the volume is coming down. Now let's talk about the price action, the support, resistance, and everything. So first of all, we see how big it can move. So let's get rid of so many lines, because some of us was doing day trading, swing trading. So this is why we have all the lines. So first of all, it was halted few times, right? It went up all the way to 25, 26, then came down, boom, 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 boom. It came all the way to 5.4, came down to 5.4, bounced off again, tried to break 11. It tried few times, 11 it couldn't, then it came down, again bounced off at 8.5, went up, and now coming down, and it is almost close to the 5.4 support. And why 5.4? I think 5.4 is important because you see pre-market it was holding 5.4, right? And also in the morning it came to 5.4, and now it is close to 5.4. So it might come back to 5.4, who knows? If not, it might bounce from 6.2. So these are some important area, but what I see, the $8.59, that would be one interesting area to break, and also $11. But it needs to hold, right? It is coming down, down, down. In case the 5.4 is broken, there is a big gap, right? So it started the day from 2.1 all the way to 5.4. So there's a big gap. So this 5.4 needs to hold. So in pre-market Monday, I do not know what will happen. Some people are saying it will gap up again pre-market. We have to see, because currently this is 7:20 p.m. So we have to see where we end after hour. So there might be a possibility it might come down, bounce off that 5.4, or pre-market Monday it will bounce off that 5.4. But if you are planning to establish a position, I always say look at the support, look at the resistance, and always have an exit plan. Just do not buy blindly. Have an exit plan so that in case it comes down or gaps down, you know you are selling your at a stop loss or anything. So anyway, so this is the price action. Very, very exciting. Today was a monster day for PHUN, DWAC, PBDS. So we made a lot of money, even probe. So very, very exciting. And if you want this kind of trading alert, early news, then please consider joining my Discord community. A lot of members joined last night, and I wish I can show you the screenshot because they were up this morning really high and they are very happy. Give it a try. If you don't like it, you can always cancel it, but give it a try. Let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and let's make money together. Peace.